project, we have learned how to recognize digits in images. We did it by constructing and training a so-called convolutional neural network that receives the image as input and returns its classification. And we did it by using well-known libraries and toolkits in Python and in MATLAB. In Python, we use TensorFlow and Keras to define and train a convolutional neural network. While in MATLAB, we constructed the same architecture by means of the Deep Learning Toolbox functionalities. The main steps and ingredients are similar in the two libraries. First, we define the size of our input images, height and width in pixels. And then we define the convolutional layer. And in our example, we use 32 filters of size 3 by 3 using padding. The max pooling layer is then defined by the size of the pools, in our case, 7 by 7. Then we have the flattened layer, and finally the fully connected layer. We specify the number of outputs, 10 in our case, and the choice of the softmax activation function. But the network cannot be used as it is. We need to first optimize its coefficient. And to do it, first we define some options for the optimizer, in particular the learning rate. And then we perform training, showing the neural network a large set of examples. In Python, with TensorFlow, training is done with the method fit, while in MATLAB the corresponding function is train network. And now it's your turn. Play with the learning rate and observe if and how it changes the model ability to recognize digits. For instance, what happens to the accuracy if you select a learning rate of 1? Or how does the model performance changes if you lower it to 0.0005? And you can also construct a deeper convolutional neural network, meaning a network with more layers. Let's consider an architecture made of, first, a convolutional layer with 8 filters, then a pooling layer with pool size 2 by 2, then another convolutional layer with 16 filters, then another pooling layer with pool size 2 by 2, a flattened layer, and a dense layer with 10 neurons. How would the code change? And does this deeper architecture classify digits in a more accurate way? And if so, is the training time comparable or longer?